Hey, I'ma say it like this. I done sold my soul to go pro. Look at this. This my spirit animal, Karomi.
Got these thunder trucks. Explain what we got right here. Got the snap on. Since you got so much to say it. Go ahead through. And then we go switch out this setup, man. So we got the old setup. We're gonna be ripping these Johns off. Ripping the Johnson off that John. Got these thunder trucks on sale, $25.99. Some hardware. The big balls. You ever heard of the big balls?
No.
These are new, I guess. I guess normal bearings have 7 balls in them. These only got 6 balls. 6 balls. Got the Orbs Johns. Never heard of them. These weren't around back then, were they? You ever heard of Orbs? Nah, they didn't make these back then. Back in the skinny jean era. We're bringing back the skinny jean era.
Yes, just mark my words.
For our tools, we got the snap-on 3/8 flex head, another snap-on flex head 1/4 inch, 8mm to 10mm, some sockets, and a good old Stanley. So let's get into it. Hold on, show them the receipt. We dropped the grip. Show them the grip. We dropped the grip on the grip. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Buddy at the store told me to give him a shout out, show him some love. Public domain. That's the Instagram. But we ain't using this right now. Showing the receipt. There go the bag. Yep, drop the grip.
All right, here we got some thunder trucks. You know they're pretty. You know they're pretty plain, but you know it's a nice little colorway. You got the the blue bushings. Got the silver bottom.
Go ahead.
They size 146, as you can see that. You know, $25 each, not too bad.
That's for a 8.5 and a half size board. This is a 8.25. We're just gonna run with it though. You see? A lot bigger. These are the baby boy trucks. All you hear is wind probably. We got the tensor bottom with the thunder top. Likewise, we got the thunder bottom with the tensor top. We got the Frankenstein board.
Hey, I'm gonna say it like this. I done sold my soul to go pro. Look at this. This is my spirit animal, Karomi. I'm the best skater around, and it's gonna be like that. Check this shit out.
So yeah, there you have it. It's got the Nigel Houstons on it. Houston, Texas, Nigel Houston. The Richters, 99A Slims. They still got the tread on them. I barely even use them. They're a little too hard for me. They look cool though. They match the board. The white and the blue. But yeah, man, let's hit a kickflip and then we go switch out this setup, man. Whatever, you get the deal. You know who's missing a bolt. Missing a bolt. The board's like a decade old. Got the gloves on deck. No, man. Bring them over here. Show them to the camera.
No.
Show them to the camera. Check out these new skate shoes, y'all. Hold on. Bring them back over here. This man just stole the show. Explain what we got right here.
We got some airwalks right here.
Man, it's an airwalk. Show the bottoms.
No, I don't want to show the bottom.
Oh, dang. You can see it from here. They dirty. He's selling shoes at that job. Show them the 10 years. That's how a screw looks after 10 years. Shit got me sweating. At least they're coming off. It's not gonna come off. I'm gonna have to cut it off. Got the old hardware, most of it. That one ain't gonna come out, man. That's what we working with. Got the spray painted riser to match the spray painted truck. Man, these tensor trucks are like 10 years old, man. They say they don't last. I know it look like they lasted to me. That's the top half of it. Yeah, we got the drink on deck. It's definitely a Starbucks. Yeah, definitely a Starbucks. Yeah, we got the Starbucks drink on deck. So we're here back at the crib with it. We're gonna do one of two things. We're either gonna cut this straight so it's a flathead and I can just shove a flathead. If that don't work, we're just gonna cut the joint off. So let's get into it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just cut it off. Yeah, we're just gonna cut it off. That's money, family. All right, cut. Stop, bro. That shit look decent. That shit look decent.
Looks the same.
Does it? Okay, but it's new and improved. Well, I do a before and after when I got the whole setup. So we couldn't find no regular drill bit. So we got the 3/8 converter bit on the Milwaukee impact driver. And then we got an adapter, 3/8 1/4 inch on this with the Phillips head on it. You just gotta make do with what you got, man. We about to speed run this. So hell up. The bit don't fell out. Bro, shut up. Boom, that's one. Look, here it comes. Alright, so we got that together. Looking nice and spiffy. Bitch. Yeah, put your eyes on blast. What you want to say? Since you got so much to say, say it. Fuck out of here. Boy, you with it? I don't rip the box because of you, bro. Watch out! So we got the red bearings right here. Red, but I think they're blue though. The blue ball, the blue ball joints, the big ball joints. Dude told me it had a cool big ball sticker, which it does. All right. I'm about to tie you up, bro. We got these joints, the Orbs Apparitions. I don't really like them. It's kind of a funky colorway, but I wanted to. They feel nice and squishy. You need to stop. Come on, look at the camera in shame. I'm about to lock them up. So we got that. Show them what it do. I guess we can see the design. I'm not really rocking with it. You rocking with it?
Then what you got on?
I don't know, because I wanted to try this brand. We got the Nigel Houstons. Still in perfect condition. Got the treads on it. Boom. 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 And this actually looks pretty nice. I thought it was gonna look goofy. Cotton candy wheels. They better feel nice. These are all brands that the dude at Zoomies recommended me. I told him I wanted Tensor, and he laughed.
No, he didn't.
And then I told him I wanted Crux, and then we both laughed. He was like, bro, really, bro? Those are the brands I don't recommend.
What's wrong with those other brands?
Said they don't last. I don't know. Here's my Tensor truck, and it's still, I mean, I didn't use it like that, but 10 years later, it's still there. Oh my, shut the hell up, bro. Do it again. I dare you. See what's gonna happen. Get hit with these keys, boy. Go ahead, do it. I should probably stop. But he should probably stop. Turn his ass to some chicken wings. He lucky he a boy. He ain't got no chicken breast and no good chicken thigh. Stay, bro. That's what we got. Let's look at that bearing action. Big ball jumps. Oh yeah, that's what we're working with. Anyways, here we are. Used them for about 30 minutes. Right off the bat, you can see the width difference. These are for 8 points. Oh my. Point is, these are smaller, these are bigger. You can see that right off the bat. Similar colorway. You can see we got the Frankenstein setup. These were actually, I found these trucks, these Thunder trucks. I found these Thunder trucks in the river. I found half a board in the river. Saw it from the bridge. I was like, yo, there's a half a board in there. I went in there. I was up to my knees in mud. Grabbed the board, and it was a Thunder truck. Spray painted them with whatever spray paint I had laying around with. That's why it's such a weird color. This dude, bro. This dude. You probably wouldn't even taste good if I. You probably wouldn't even taste good, bro. If we cooked you, you wouldn't even taste good. It'd be all muscle. Cause all you do is fight. That's why you got no feathers. Cause all you do is fight. Man, this man just wants to play. It's all a game to him. Why don't you get some hands on your cock? Here's the one that wouldn't come off. I cut into it, made it a flathead screw. But after seeing how easily it cut through the head, I figured I'd just cut it off. So I just cut it off. I like the wheels. Oh my God. Oh my God, that one hurt. Jesus. Ah! Anyways, while he's distracted, I like the wheels. Feel nice. I think I like them better than the Richters so far. Same hardness, I believe. Yep. 99As, same for those. 99A on the durometer. Better slidability, supernaturally flat, fast, no flat spots guaranteed. They still got the tread on them. Oh my! Just bit me. Just fucking bit me. Straight up bit me. Oh. Nah, I'm mad, bro. I'm really about to lock you up in your cage, bro. You won't even let me finish my review, bro. You need to go, bro. Big ball bearings, beautiful as expected. Great for $25. They're all the same, man. To me, $10, $25, $50, $80, $100. No matter. These trucks though, these bushings, way too soft. Tighten them, way too soft. I felt the board hitting already, rubbing up against the wheels, rubbing up against the board, man. That was pissing me off. No risers either, because I couldn't fit them on. The board look nice. Oh my God, dude. The dog's mad and whatnot. The board look nice though. Switched it short because it was getting hot. Got the military boots on. Nobody doing it like this. I'm taking